Python and tar command shell equals true. I wrote this script to tar some backups. But then I get when I add shell equals true to the popen command it works. However, I heard the shell equals true is to be avoided as it is insecure sometimes. How can I successfully issue the command without using shell equals true?
When shell equals false, you need to pass your command via a list. Edit, the important part from the docs. On Unix, with shell equals false, default, in this case, the popen class uses os.execute to execute the child program. Args should normally be a sequence. If a string is specified for args, it will be used as the name or path of the program to execute. This will only work if the program is being given no arguments. This URL.
@Scalin has the fundamentally correct answer. However, as an additional note, you may also find it useful to specify the absolute path to your tar command. For example, subprocess.popen/user/spin/tar. Where that resides is, of course, specific to your Linux flavor.
Application